He's on cooking his dinner. But we was having a chat anyway, so I didn't get much done. He's dug these 2 turnips out. Took one home for himself. Look at the size of this thing. How good's that? I mean, that's not a small one. But look at that. I don't even know what tape measure is. But it's a long one, that, isn't it? Hey. Do for Charlene's rabbits then. Stepdaughter, she has rabbits. Anyway, we'll get half of these spuds out today, see if they're better than them. I'll take them out up to here. And we can take them ones out. See what we've got in there. Look at that, man. Not shy, is it? Right, I'll get them out. I like kettle boils. Pretty quiet on here this morning. Although, that's more than we got in that tub. In one row out of that bed. Just in that tub. And all I've took out is 4 plants. No, 6 plants, sorry. So out of 12 plants, we have the same out of that bed, so we're going to have double out of that bed. Looking at them. And the different variety, these are Golden Wonder, you can see the golden colour. Lovely spuds. Make good chips, roasties, mash. Good all rounder really. Golden Wonder. So we can leave them in, just take them as we need them, and we can take a few up this week if we need some. And we've still got some Maris peas in there, haven't we? 3 rows, 4 rows. But that's all I need for this week. Do us for a couple of weeks then now at home. Nice colour them, don't they? Lovely. Golden Wonder. Right, let's get that brew. Yeah, so that's enough spuds for me anyway. Look at these fruit trees in. About time they went in. This is where they're going. So that's a pear tree. And that's another Golden Delicious. I'll go put that one a bit further round about there. And that one where it is. So I'll just cut that black and dig an hole and drop them in. It's a little sticky and muggy today. I should have rain or something, mate. Something happened. You alright? Got them 2 in there. There's Supervisor. I'll put that one there and that one over there. So fill that gap there. So looks like a brew time. There we are, this for today. Canned beetroot as well. I've just got some peppers off. Toner's just come on. I've just changed that water in there for fresh water. So if you leak there, they leak that, they're just trying to throw roots out right side. So hopefully they're starting off. They're still wet through, so they'll probably not need water until I get home. But they won't. Don't need much water in this year. Just sorted this back right here. It's all drying out nice. I hung them onions up, them big onions, so they don't start rotting out. Crumpers them, aren't they? That's drying out okay. Next week all that's coming out. Every bit of it. And we'll get that bed cleared. Ready for they're going in. If they work. I think Henry's watered here this morning. Yeah, he has. Henry's watered in here. Stood on the tomato. Yeah, I took some of these peppers off. These banana ones and a couple of them green chilies. It's supposed to be red, but we'll take them green. There's another one. I'll that one off. And that one. Take them long ones off and I'll give them other ones a chance to ripen. Not bad ones, are they? With a salad or something. No more chilies worth taking, is there? What's that one? No, I'll take that one. Because really that and that should be red. So, taking them a bit premature, but let's see, oh, some more bell peppers coming on there. Melting. Oh. We've got them spuds as well for take. Golden, what were they? Golden Wonder. Yeah, got some chilies there, so I'll get them in there. That's about it for my 4 days off, I think. These are full up again. Whoa. Don't know where that's gone. I must have used it for watering up. Just phone it up phone. Important business call. Yeah, them trees look okay there. Should get the roots growing now in that soil. I don't know what that black is on there, but oops. Belted. Henry can get some of them out if he wants this week. Nice spuds, them chippers. I think that'll just about do us till next week. Well, them's definitely coming out next Friday. They'll be out, gone. I don't know what's happening with this bean, yard-long bean. No beans on it. Plenty growth. I've not seen any flowers myself, but we'll leave that in, see how it grows, because it's not looking so bad. Try to get it grown up with trellis or something, see where we are with it, because it's everywhere. It's going like a triffid. I'll sort that out next week. And carrots have been watered. In fact, I'll give them another water before I go. Right, off ski we go. See you next Friday. Hopefully better weather. Well, back at home. Looks like it's my turn to cook Sunday tea. I'll have to plot some of set that beef. I'll go it open in a bit. Look at the size of that cucumber. I cannot believe that, mate. That's got to be 2 foot long, that. It's not even turning yellow yet. Melted. Anyhow, I've got that green problem again in pond. Oh, give me that. bad. We've got that green problem again at pond, but we've got this stuff. Get in there. I've got this stuff here. Which is like a sand, and what you do is you put it in your water and it collects all the green water together. Now I did a sample in this yesterday. Now that water was green yesterday when I put it in, but if you look now, all the green bits have stuck together and gone to the bottom. See? So that's a successful test, but you can't put it in when it's raining or too sunny. So it was just like a nice day. So we're going to leave that till next week. But it does work, as you can see. All the green sludges. And then all you do is just scoop it off after when it goes to the top. But it's not as bad as it was before, but it's still bad as well. Still green, you know what I mean? You can just about see the pump at the bottom. But, I think I've been being fed too much myself. I only feed him once a week really, but when we're both on different shifts, she feeds them, then I feed them. And before we know it, we don't know where we are. Look at that spiders up there. Nice, isn't it? Yeah. So at least garden's not flooded again anyway. Needs to go cut that lawn. Yeah, that's the job, but not for today. Today it's a relaxing day before work tonight. So that's, I'll walk there till I need it. And then that's me. See you next week. Where's that kettle?